out of there. Let's get a couple more cranks, Riley.
Fine, stop.
Come here, come here.
Come on, dogs. Get back.
Hey, Todd. Hey, we're going to crank a couple. Is that all right? I was in a pub Saturday night, had a few, noticed two quite large women by the bar. They had straw accents, so I said, "You two ladies from Scotland?" One of them chirped, "It's Wales, you frickin' idiot." So immediately I apologized and said, "Sorry, you two whales from Scotland?" That's the last thing I remember. All right, get ready.
Here we go, Gavin. It's coming down. Step back.
I'd crank it, Dave. Keep cranking. Get that thing on over there.
Timber!